No eyelash makeup for beginners. I love to prep my lips with chapet or any other beautiful gear. So I also love to prep my face with serum. This is a combination of aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil, and rose water. I don't use face primer actually. So this is what I use to prep my face so that my foundation will lap. Hair wax. If you don't have hair wax, you can use your soap. Just soak it and brush it a little. Get your old toothbrush or eyelash brush. I like to give you guys options. Just brush it up. I don't like shaving off my eyelashes, natural eyelashes, because I have a lot of that. So I don't like to remove the beautiful eyelashes. So you comb it comb it up. Let it lap so that it will not be. Don't worry. I have to blow a little breeze to dry the gel, so that it's easy for the eye pencil to run through it. I'm using a MacBook eye pencil. You can use any pencil of your choice. Just give it a stroke up. Follow your eyelashes. Just stroke it up to get that natural Beyonce eyebrow. So don't be in a haste. Just carve out the edges to make it tiny. While you keep on working on the eyebrow, keep on working on it. Not shading, stroking. Stroke it up. Follow the lines and stroke it. This is Black Opal foundation, but I use it as a concealer. It gives me what I want. It's a powder, but it's somehow oily, so we use it as concealer. Just get a little. Don't pack it so much so that it will not glitter everywhere. Lay your brush flat against your skin and drag. Don't be afraid. Just one line. Excesses into your skin so that there will be no sharp line. Makeup hates sharp lines. It doesn't matter the quality or the price of the makeup. If you don't blend it so well, it will not be nice. So you go again and clean it up. Keep on going until you get what you want. Connect the two lines, the up and down. From below, you connect it and clean up the excesses to get that sharp ending. Blend it all, blend it in, blend everything into your skin. I don't like sharp lines. It doesn't look nice at all. Then you do the same thing to the other eyebrows. No two eyebrows can be that 100% identical because you are not a machine, but do a nice job. Let it be close to each other. You blend it in. Also, you go below your eyebrows and blend it in. Blend and blend. Then you stroke it again to create a fake natural it as eye primer. The Opal concealer foundation, I use it as a primer. It gives me what I want. Then I'll pick two eyeshadows, the light shade and the darker shade. The light shade comes close to your eyelid inside, while the darker shade is always placed at the outer edges of your eyeshadow base. So whenever you're picking two or more color, go with the lighter one in. I have a folding eye crease, so I go above my crease to hide my Chinese eye. Don't mind me. I like my eyes, so I go above my crease to make it more visible. Because if I don't do that, you will not notice the eyeshadow on my eyes, and I am not going to put on eyelashes. So I want it to show, I want it to pop. Now the second eyeshadow, the darker shade, like I told you, go out of your eyebrow, you blend it in. Join it with the other one, but not mix. The two of them intermarry each other. So I have to look at my mirror a little to see what I'm doing. So you get a blending brush. This is blending brush. Use them blend above the eyeshadow, not in the eyeshadow. That is the crease, to clean off a sharp line. You see, just clean it up, blend it into your skin, so that there will be no sharp line. And like I told you earlier, makeup hates sharp lines, so blend it. I'm using Maybelline Superstay, so I get my foundation a little, not too much, because if you take a lot of foundation, it will be hard for you to blend, especially foundations like Maybelline. And I apply my foundations with foam. I notice that foam makes it more clean. Yes, as you can see how beautiful it is. It's blending it into my skin, unlike brushes. Brushes can make it flaky, so get a foam, a blending foam, or a little foam like this one I'm using. Use it and blend it in. Not rub, dab. I'm dabbing it, dab it into your skin. So remember your hairlines so that you don't have a masked face. You remember your neck also. Always go with the color of your foundation. Make your foundation your color so that you don't have two faces. Yeah, your mouth, beside your nose. You get black eyeliner. I don't want eyeliner because I'm not putting on eyelashes, so I just want to darken the edges of my eyes. See, as you can see, just want there to be black. So that's why I'm using eyeliner above. Then I get my maniac, white maniac. I like to put it on my eye waterline so that it makes my eye pop. You will notice my eyes, my tiny eyes. So the white maniac makes it noticeable. I'm now applying my mascara. Get yourself a nice mascara and go from your roots. So I'm now darkening the white maniac. You see, if I leave it only white, it will not be beautiful. So I will use a dark color like black or blue, or even my color to go below the white maniac, so that it will not be that pronounced. This is Jordana lip liner. Fold your lips if you want to get your lines. Fold your lips and go from your top, from your mouth crease. There's another style you can go straight, cover the lips, and have a well-rounded lips. If you want that type of lips, you can go straight above the mouth crease. Then connect the two. Sandosa pink lip liner and top it up with the lip liner, the Osblo lip liner, and you smack your lips to blend it in. Although I will work more on it, I will work a little on it. So I'm applying more over your lips very well. Smack it so that you get yourself a lip brush and blend it so well. Blend it together so that it will be like one lipstick. It doesn't look nice when you combine lipsticks and the lines will be showing that is a different lipsticks. So you blend them together, blend it in together. Later you clean off the excesses that come out. Foundation foam, I use it to clean off the excess lipstick, to get a very clean line on my mouth. I have set to go. No lashes makeup. You can look beautiful without applying lashes on your lip. And also take some concealer and conceal off the excess lipstick. That's what I'm doing there. I'm giving it a clean line and clean look to my pores, like you did to your eyebrows. To your lips so that it looks so nice. Go up and do the same thing over your lips. Turn your brush and clean it off also. That is the secret of nice makeup, is how clean it is. I also love to apply my powder with foam. I don't like makeup brushes that much. Foam gives me a smooth, silky result, so I use foam to apply my foundation and also my powder. I use makeup brushes sometimes, but not on foundation. Like I use makeup brush to apply powder or blush if I'm going on a beat, high beat. I am not in a rush. This is a quick makeup you can use and go out there. It's not a high pro makeup, so it's good for beginners. If you're beginning to apply makeup on your first, you want to learn, you want to begin to apply makeup, this tutorial is for you. So thank you for watching. I appreciate. My hair is set. I'm brushing my